Hey, hi guys, this is Bakapa Chinchalikar. Welcome back to session and interview questions and answers. Let us jump to the program which is asked in most of the interview. So write a Java program to remove duplicate characters in a given array. So this is my input string. I have Java programs. So if you look at this particular string, so first A is removed here as because it is already repeated here in the first positions. In the next time here R and A is removed. That is R and A is removed because R is already repeated here and A is also repeated in a as a previous character. So this will be our output string. So let us jump to the Eclipse IDE so that we can discuss the logic how we can implement this particular program to remove our duplicate characters, that is like numeric characters or alphabets. Yeah, what I'll do is here I'll create simply one simple Java main class. So just here I'm creating one simple class which is having a main. So here I'm specifying the Java class name. Interview Java program 05. So that's all. I'll check this particular checkbox and I'll click on finish button. So that's it. So let me declare and initialize this input string, that is Java program. So here I'm declaring one string variable and I'm initializing the value to the string variable. So here I'm giving the name of the string as variable name as a input string, and I'll simply initialize the value to this. So that's it. So this is the input string we have. So next step is I will convert this particular input string to the set of characters by using the inbuilt method called toCharArray. So if you look at this particular method toCharArray, so it is returning you the set of characters. So you need to store this particular values into the set array of characters. So that's it. So here I'm giving here I'm writing the return type as a char, as it is a returns you the set of characters, and the variable name is ch. I'm specifying it. So that's it. So what I will do is here I will create two inbuilt class objects. The first one is hash set and second one is string buffer. So I will tell you why I'm going to create objects of hash set and the string buffer. So first I'm creating the object of hash set new. Here I'm using the new operator and followed by the hash set. Then simply I will assign this particular object to the hash set reference variable. So basically hash set is just you import the related packages. So hash set is a type of collection. It is capable of storing only unique values. That is a unique strings, unique integers and unique characters. So if you are trying to add the duplicate characters to this particular collection, it will not store the duplicate data. So next I will create one more inbuilt class object, that is a string buffer, by using the new operator string buffer, and I'll assign this string buffer object to the string buffer reference variable. So here I'm giving the reference variable name as the remove duplicate chars. So as it is, this particular variable will be holding the all the unique characters at the end of this session. So that's all. Now we have input string, that is the input string we have defined, and we have converted this particular input string into the set of characters, and after that we have created one hash set object. So this is a collection type. It is capable of storing only unique data, that is as integers, strings or characters. So next we have string buffer. So this particular variable I have reference variable I have defined. So this particular reference variable will be adding each characters whenever it is a unique in the input string. So that's all. So here I'm going to define one for each loop. So that is going to iterate from starting from j, and it points to the whenever the increment happens, it points to the a and v and so on like this. At the end it points to the yes. So let me define one for each loop to iterate through all this set of characters. For each, just after writing for each, just press Ctrl space. So you will get this suggestion, just press enter. So that's it. First you need to specify the set of characters here. So here this particular ch is capable of holding, it is holding the set of characters. So basically by using this particular input string, it is converting a string to the set of characters. So it is just splitting j, v, a and like this and so on. At the end value will be yes in this particular ch array of characters. So here ch is holding the set of characters, so that is the reason I'm defining here ch. So as it is a char type, so I need to define the return type for this particular for each loop will be char type, and after that this is the variable name. So here I'm defining variable name as a character. Sorry guys. So that's all. Sorry guys. So this particular for each loop will be using for iterate through this particular set of characters from this input string. So what I will do is here I'm going to add a one if condition that is going to add each characters. So this particular character variable will be first holding the value j, and the second time it is holding the value a and v and so on. So whenever this particular character comes, I'm going to add this particular character to the hash set. As we know, this particular collection will be holding only unique characters. If it is a unique, then only it will add into the collection type. So here I'm going to write one if condition. If hash set dot add. Here I'm passing the character. So first it will be pointing to the j and a and v and so on here. So whenever this particular character is holding j value, it will simply add to this particular collection type. It points to the next time a, simply it will add to the hash set collection, and third time it is pointing to the v and it is going to add to the hash set, and the fourth time it is pointing to the a, so which is already repeated here. So there is a reason it will not go into this particular if condition. If already character is there, if it is already repeated before, so it is not going to insert this particular for loop. It will not enter inside this particular if condition. So that's the reason it is not going to add that particular character to this string buffer variable. So if it is unique, this particular condition says If it is unique, then only we add to the this particular variable. So here I'm using one append method. So whenever if it is a unique character, simply it will add this particular character to the this remove duplicate character chars variable. So that's all. At the end, this particular remove duplicate chars will be holding the all the unique characters. So simply I will print this particular variable value. So here I'm writing simply system.out.println and I'll print this particular variable, that is remove duplicate characters. So let me execute this. If you look at this output, it is working properly. So first it has removed the A, and then after that R and A is removed from this particular G. So as A is already repeated here and here it is removed R and A. So R is also repeated and A is also repeated in the second position. So that's all. And even if you are interested to remove the numeric values, that also can be done. Say for example, I'm adding here 1 2. After Java I have added 1 2, and the same 1 2 I'll be adding after the programs. So in this case, only first 1 2 should be printed. It should not be printing next 1 2 because it is a duplicate character. So if we execute this program, so first it has printed the first 1 2, because as it is next time it is repeated, it is removed from the string. So that's all I have in this session on interview questions and answers. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section of this below video. If you want to get more updates from this particular channel, please click on subscribe button. If you like this video, please click on share and like button. Thank you so much for watching this session on interview questions and answers for Java.